What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how I built 5 passive income streams that are making me $31,000 profit every single month. Plus, I'm going to be showing you real proof so you guys know that this isn't one of those fake YouTube videos. And keep in mind, guys, this isn't some weird video trying to flex. Personally, I find these videos very inspiring, and watching other creators like me, Kevin, and Graham Stephan show them making over $1 million a month could be very motivating. So I'm actually making this video because I think it's only fair that you guys get to see how much profit I'm actually making passively right now. And keep in mind, this definitely did not happen overnight. I've been grinding the past 5 years to get where I am. So with that being said, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, because every single week I'm doing giveaways and I actually announce it on my Instagram. But without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so before I break down these income streams, I think it's really important to identify what passive income actually is. Because at the end of the day, passive income doesn't mean that there was nothing done to actually generate the money. All income streams take some sort of work to actually get it set up, whether it be finding and buying stocks that are dividends, or for example, let's say you wrote a book 5 years ago and you're still actually getting sales for that book to this day. So keep in mind, all the income streams that I'm going to be showing you today vary highly in how passive they actually are. But with that being said, let's get into the very first income stream. Okay guys, so this first income stream is one of my e-commerce brands, and this is actually the only e-commerce brand that I can consider passive, because just a year ago I ended up buying this e-commerce brand for a really solid price, and they already had all logistics and all marketing set up. So I've literally done absolutely nothing since I bought this e-commerce brand, and you can see in the last year it's done a total of $65,000 in revenue. And if you see the product cost, it's pretty cheap because we're buying these in bulk and actually shipping them from a fulfillment center. If we actually come down here, you can see that the most expensive part of running this business is actually the shipping cost at $13,000, and the net profit on that in the last year equals out to $43,000. So if you actually divide that by 12, it's something around $3,600 profit passively every single month. Now, I made sure not to include any other of my e-commerce brands on this list, because truly this is the only passive e-commerce company I have, because the marketing was already created before I actually bought this company. I ended up purchasing this company for $30,000, and you can see in the last year, we already made the full investment back plus $13,000, and now it's actually cash flowing every single month. And of course, the profit varies every single month, and we're actually on a little bit of a downturn right now, but nonetheless, that's the very first income stream. Alright guys, so income number 2 comes from my YouTube channel. I'm sure some of you guys are curious how much I actually get paid by YouTube for making these types of videos, and while this wouldn't be considered 100% passive, it's sort of like the book example where I gave you, where I'm creating a piece of content and then that's evergreen, where I'm actually making profit. So if we actually come over to the last month in April, you can actually see that I made almost $21,000 just from Google AdSense. Honestly, it's crazy. I never thought that I would even make significant income making these videos. I'm just making them because I really enjoy it. But you guys can see in April, I started out with $0 in May, and the next month I finally got my first YouTube check for $425, and every single month it's been going up very steady. July, $700, August I hit $2,300, and then the next month $2,700, and you can just see it's been growing very steadily until the point where we just hit our very biggest month with Google AdSense at almost $21,000. So I'm super grateful to be able to say that I actually generated that amount of income from my YouTube channel. So I think it's very important that I am transparent with you guys and actually show you guys this revenue. Now, of course, this business model isn't 100% passive. I'm constantly needing to create new videos, but most of the revenue is from videos that I actually published a few months ago. So that's why I consider this income stream completely passive. So with those two income streams, we're already at about $25,000 in revenue, but let's get into income stream number 3. Alright guys, so passive income stream number 3 is actually my rental property. I posted a video about this on my YouTube channel, but I ended up buying this property last year for a total of $350,000. And of course, I didn't put all cash down since this was my first real estate purchase. My lender actually let me put 5% down. So I was actually into this deal for just about $23,000. I lived there the very first year of owning the property, and then I actually rented it out furnished. I just moved across the world. I'm currently living in Puerto Rico, and that property is currently being rented for $3,500 without including utilities, and I'm actually paying $1,850 on the mortgage, but I am including a few services like pool maintenance and landscaping and pest control. So totaled out, I'm making about $1,100 cash flow on this property that's coming to my pocket. But after all tax benefits and everything said and done, net total, I'm making a profit of $1,850 per month just off renting one property. So you guys already know I'm gonna keep buying properties, and I wanna share it on this channel because I think this is a really good way to build generational wealth. Alright guys, and the next passive income stream is with affiliate offers. So I don't usually affiliate myself with too many companies, but every now and then there's actually products that I use that I love to promote to my audience because they're getting me really good results. So when I actually post these up on my YouTube channel and leave links for you guys end up signing up under those. And altogether with these links, I'm making anywhere from $4,000 to $5,000 a month. So this is probably one of the biggest definitions of passive income because I'm literally doing nothing to get that besides putting the link in my description and actually showing you guys how I use some of these products. So it's always a win-win situation when I do these. I never make them about some type of scammy products. They're all real value products that I think would benefit the audience. So this is one of the coolest ways to actually generate revenue as an influencer and someone who makes content online. And I'm sure this revenue stream could be much higher, but like I said, I'm really picky about the companies that I do want to promote. I get hundreds of emails every single week from companies that want to work with me, want me to affiliate myself. You guys know that I love keeping it 100% real with you guys, so I'm not going to promote anything that I don't believe in. Now, okay guys, let's get into passive income stream number 5. So originally when I was gonna make this video, I was gonna include the gains on my crypto portfolio, but Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the cryptos actually tanked severely. So I'm not actually up too much the last month, so I'm not gonna be including those. But my 5th passive income stream is actually a savings account, and I'm gonna tie in stocks and crypto within there. And every single month through those 3 different sources, I'm generating about $2,000 to $3,000 a month. Last month, my crypto portfolio went absolutely wild, but it actually came crashing down. So there's absolutely no reason to actually include that. Now, I actually don't advise using standard savings account. You're gonna get like a 0.1 annual return on that investment. But if you actually go for a high yield savings account like American Express, or there's a few other banks like Ally Bank, I believe, you can get anywhere from like 0.5 to 1%. Last year, before the whole Rona happened, you used to be able to get almost a 2% return, which is actually pretty solid if you have a generous portion of money in there. But they shrunk these down to 0.5%, so it's almost not that worth it to put your money in the savings account. But of course, it's better than a savings account. I definitely don't recommend, if you want to build passive income, to put it in a savings account. My current goal is to trim this savings account, invest it into real estate because the returns are much greater. Okay guys, so there you have it. Those are my 5 income streams that are currently generating me $31,000 profit per month completely passively. Now, I know there's gonna be some people in the comments that are like, Tan, these methods aren't passive, but keep in mind, I explained what my definition of passive income stream is at the beginning of this video. If you guys do get this video to 10,000 likes, I wanna do a completely full income reveal. So I'm gonna show you guys all my sources of revenue, not just the passive ones, and I'll actually hop into the dashboard, show you real proof of profit of every single one so you guys can see how much money I'm actually generating as a 23-year-old. And if you guys are watching this video and think it's absolutely impossible to get where I am today, I'm a high school dropout, guys. So if I can do it, literally anyone can do it, but it's gonna take hard work, dedication, and you're gonna have to apply yourself and do the hard things that most people won't so you can actually get ahead in this world. Now, I really hope this video was motivating. If you guys did get some value, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.